stand at a crossroad.
Enemy resistance in the hive is chewing holes in the warband. We're losing trained veterans. And what do I get to replace them with? Dirtbag raw recruits like you. So here's a chance to impress me. You need to give us your best on every damn mission. You understand? I'll be watching you, Acolyte. What does your best look like? An operative lives or dies by their weaponry, but the supply situation's dire, so we use whatever we can get our hands on. I've cleared you for access to the Armory Exchange. From there, you can requisition reconditioned weaponry recovered from the field. Be sure that you're always carrying the best that's available. Looking for a specific weapon type? Put in a request with Quartermaster Brunt, or one of his servitors. What you get won't be top of the line, but it should cater to your tastes.
Assignment Reclamation Zone 15A.
Here to serve. Goodbye. Greetings. Purchase complete. Purchase confirmed. Greetings, operative.
The cult's getting smarter. That ain't good for anyone. What do you expect me to do about it?
Yes? Can I be of service? Function complete. May I be of assistance? Unit ready to serve. Depart, operative.
Hello. Ano, Mac, nasa Discord kami ah.
Tutuloy na siya. Pusang gala. Puro text lang pala to.
My
Ayan,
service
yung next.
is fulfillment.
Oo. Ang daming
Nag-ano ka na? Nag-masteries ka na? Ano?
Kenchan.
Kenchan?
Sa blessing menu. Tapos parang ano yan eh, yung effect ng barrel.
Ay na, saka na yan. Baka magkamali pa ako ng ano eh. Hindi ko pa nasa-search to eh. Kailangan to theory ano eh.
Hindi
Crafting.
na.
Hindi, parang di mo
Hindi
naman
na.
kailangan.
Wala, napindot ko yung disdain.
Kasi tawag dito ano eh. Pag natapag na master ano, pag na ano mo naman ng nasagad mo naman yung mastery niya hanggang dulo. Sure ako na
Okay
mapupuno naman yan lahat. Ata.
Okay. Passive. Disdain.
Three-
Plus 5%
plus
damage.
50% of the time it happens all the time.
On your next melee attack for each enemy. Enemies
Tagal mag
with
ano, reading data from disk.
Oh, matagal talaga yan.
Ganun ba?
Replenish.
So nasa lobby na kayo?
Hindi.
I mean yung
Boss Jay, hindi pala pwede. Parang ano eh. Parang yung maximum na blessing points lang hanggang dulo 31 eh. Ilan lang yan? 4, 8, 12, 16,
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Kailangan yan may theory crafting pa yan.
na
Hindi na. Hindi, nakita ko dun sa sinerch ko nung sa akin, 2 lang yung minastery niya eh.
sinerge na para.
100%. Paano ba yung ano ba yung buhay dito? 'Di ba may buhay ka?
Oo.
Tapos may toughness ka pa. Ano yan? Yung
Oo.
toughness parang shield?
Oo. Pag nasira yung toughness mo, ano, mababawasan ka na. Tapos, hello, Mac?
Medyo choppy
Basta
ka
si
mo.
Mac eh.
And,
Hello.
Okay.
ha?
Ito na, waiting for other players. Okay.
Nandito ka na ba sa ano? Nandun ka na sa parang yung parang common ground.
Sino yata mo?
Ikaw.
Ay, wala. Ngayon pa lang. Loading screen kanina eh.
Ikaw na ba itong tumatakbong Ogwin? Ikaw ba yung Ogwin?
Hindi eh.
Ito si
Paano
Kenchan. Ito si Kenchan. Pambira naman yan. Alam ko yan, Kenchan yung karakter mo Si ano yan yung sa Wakanda, yung yung pangalawang
Killmonger.
si Killmonger. Tingnan mo, si
Mission
Killmonger
Terminal.
to eh. Nasaan ka, Gab? Ba't hindi
Pusang
kita
galas to.
kita?
This is
Cutscene pa.
excellent. I have a contract that will suit you to a T.
Wait lang cutscene.
Nandun kami sa may malapit sa may mission terminal. Kasi
One
ka
cannot
ba,
win a war without sacrifice. Be assured that I am prepared to sacrifice all of you.
Ay, di ka namin nakikita. Ba't ganun? Ano pangalan mo? Guilds? Wala si
Delete your
Guilds.
squadlings. They are the ones who
Dito ba siya sa
press
gitna? Nasa kabi.
Ano yan? Ba't tatlong The Morning Star yung mga kasama ko? Ano ba yung The Morning Star? Ayun ba yung Yan yung class nyo?
Hindi, ito mismo yung yung lobby. Ito ang lugar, the Morning Star.
Ito yung
Yung lugar.
Hindi ka namin nakikita. Hindi kita nakikita ako. Si Kenji
Ano mangyari kapag pinlay ko yung campaign 1?
Ayun na,
Masasali
hindi
ba kayo?
ko yun nga, hindi ko kasi may nakalagay kasi pag pinlay mo nasa ilalim, public game.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi ko...
nandun ka na sa mornings. Nandun ka na sa mission terminal.
Oo.
Wait lang, ako campaign 1 ba?
oo.
Pero may nakalagay kasi na dun sa party finder, nakalagay strike team is full.
Oo, yung sa atin.
Private game prevents player from matchmaking into your current. Private game prevents players from matchmaking into your current strike team. Requires a strike team of at least 2.
Ayan, pwede na pala yung sa atin eh. Parang feel ko pag in-start ni Boss Gab yung public na yun, pwede na eh.
Sige
Hindi
nga.
naman ata siya. Try mo nga, Boss Gab.
Ay, hindi!
Ayan,
Ayun,
no?
Accept.
Accept ko ba?
Accept ko na.
Ayan na, let's go.
The
Yun na.
Sangga.
formation.
Apat yan. Eh...
Kailang yan, walang may gets. Ready.
Prisoner.
Seeing as how you're new at this, I reckon the best thing to do is
Papangit
throw
na
you
mukha,
in the
boy.
deep end. So
Kaya
enjoy
nga,
it.
yun yung bad trip eh. Nagsanap ako
Control
ng
the bulk of
magandang
the
mukha
transit
dyan
movement
eh.
network
Walang
running from
maganda.
Chasm Station. Moving supplies,
Ito na yung parang
personnel,
pinakamaayos.
and works. You're gonna redirect a train carrying an arch heretic and ambush him on the platform. Got it? Then let's find out what you're made of.
Ay, nag-ano ka na din? Nag-combat night ka na din, Boss Gab. Mabilis kasi yung yan eh. Mabilis ka na.
Bagal nung yung axe eh.
Oo.
Loading.
Waiting data po.
Grabe yung suspense ng music Ang tagal eh.
Tagal talaga.
Hey! Tayo naman, hindi na yung book na yun.
Okay, paunahan na naman sana. Oy, slide! Oy!
We're barely holding on to this district, but
Slide!
today's little excursion should mean that folk can
Look,
breathe easier. Kill one
Look,
random
Papa.
heretic, nothing changes. Kill 1,000 random heretics, races are smart, but that's it. But kill the right one, it brings
Ano
their
yun na?
operations to a screaming halt for a bit. We can
Unang
use that.
campaign, no?
First up,
Wala.
head for the marketplace.
Hindi, join
You
ka
can
ulit,
splice
boss.
into the
Join-
trade scheduler from there.
Join ka kay...
Time to go to
Hindi,
work.
nag-loading lang saan. Reading from STWs.
Ay, hindi, makakasali ka naman dito. Nakasunod pa rin naman sa akin.
We're on the same outside!
Forgive me, or a bit
Tara.
Yan na, dyan ka na. Yan na ka na.
Let's go. May friendly fire ba dito, boss Jay?
Wala.
Wala pa.
Wala, boss. Naubos ko na yung bala ko sa'yo, boss eh.
We don't generally
Hindi
go
ka
in
laban
by
sa
the
likod
front
ko.
door. Case in point, you'll need to use the ventilation tunnels to reach the market.
Ay, gagi kalaban pala yun!
Bahala ka dyan.
Gagi! Alam ko, may kapi tayong bot. Pero pinapal ako. Ano to? Speedrun na naman? Bala oh. Ay, sorry boss. Saan tayo boss? May wala yung kisigan.
May ketchup, may ketchup. Ay, may ketchup.
Counter-drills engaged!
Talikod, talikod, talikod.
Wala yun ang ketchup.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Get this
Ay,
Ay, wait lang, boy, boy.
May buhay dito, may buhay dito. Mac, may buhay dito. Ferrari yung
Kailan nyo ba ng amo? Wala na, kinuha ko na.
Dito.
Tertium's a grand old lady. She don't deserve this. I don't know about that.
Bawal na?
Still got walls.
Sige, bawal na.
Ah, nandito lang ata.
Gather through 15 bother.
May malayo sa atin.
Uy, gagi, nawalan ako. Nawala ako.
Ay, napalitan.
Barrel
Ay!
Wala pala ako.
kill that bloody bastard.
Ano to? May chest dito oh. Ano meron sa chest?
Ano lang yan eh? Mga item.
Hindi na. Hala! Ay, bot lang pala.
Pets team.
Gagi, naglalag ako,
Ay,
naglalag.
lahat.
I'd like to see Grendel lead from the front.
Inquisitors
Dapat
have a
pala-
lot going on. Bad as
Dapat pala
things
si Boss
are
Jay
here,
nag-ano.
they're worse elsewhere. It's not like we're short of Grendel's underlings. Grenade coming! See that bomber?
May alis kayo dyan, may apoy.
Keep moving! Let's make Morrow proud!
Nawala ako, ang sayo.
Sorry, boss. Ba't pala ikaw nga pala host natin? Ano? Control?
If that's
Ay,
the
hindi, that
maintenance bay,
naka-sprint
you're
ka
on the right track. Keep it moving. Work as a team and you'll pull through.
Ay, sorry.
Track this thingy's down! I thought you were tough. I'll return the favor. You wait. Lovely kill!
Kumusta, boss Jay? Reset na ba?
Hello, hello. Nawala ba kayo?
Hindi, andito pa din.
Dito pa din.
Wait lang.
Ano to? May i-fix yata dito oh. Fix ba yun o tools?
Ayan na.
Ito lang sa taas. Bakit lang tayo sa taas?
Sundan nyo lang si Kenchan.
This is a fool's game. Anyone want a split?
I'll take that as the jest I'm sure was intended.
Welcome to the slaughter.
One is sighted.
Ayun, nandito na.
Ito na ako.
May ano? May malaki. Ah! May malaki sa likod.
Pambihirang gabdong ko na.
Will you
Okay.
quit stealing all the
Tapos na
ammo?
kayo
Shots
papabong
sighted on my part. Apologies.
Pressure here, lock. Tell
Nabulo
them
ko eh.
I maintain integrity in the event of a disaster. I can't clear you to proceed unless you're all in position. That's the supply point down there. Get the data interrogator in place and let it do its work.
Ito may dito.
We're unreliable on drones and needing restarts. If that happens, one of you work on the fix and the rest watch their back. Got it?
Kuha kayo ng ano, kuha kayo dito.
Terminate the gunner!
Headhunting.
Alam ko to. Ito yung ginawa ko kanina, magbihira may minigame.
Ako hindi pa. Ngayon na yung mag-minigame.
Ikaw
Ako na lang. Bantayan niya ako.
Mamaya pa. Mamaya.
Pag nag-ilaw.
Interrogation underway.
Just want to play.
Grenade pala tayo ah.
Taking a shot.
There, take the terminal.
Flamer is judged.
Ayan na.
Beauty, beware! Mutants!
Bam! Bam!
It's out of surprise.
Bam! Bam!
I shall
Mahina.
That's better.
Grabe.
Good job.
Ba't na yung mamaya.
Flamethrower kanina eh.
headhunting!
Flavor shotgun!
Ito naman, akin, lagi ako yung inuubo.
Data interrogator fails. Hardly news, is it?
Ano ako?
Sige.
Nanet ako ha!
Get away!
Done!
Want me like that? You even look at me funny, I'll leave you there. Shotgunner!
Interrogator's red line. Fix it.
Pambihirang ano to, Fred Knight to.
Requesting knowledge, veteran.
After the chopper! Just like a Drake!
Ano ba?
Starfleet lands no more, chopper.
Where is the medic?
Uy! Doon ako.
Requesting!
Doon ako guys.
It's a mercy!
I-attack mo para pwede.
Uplink restored. That's a relief.
Ano ka, may ano ko. May ammo dito.
Can't miss! Won't miss!
Ito pa.
Come on, someone get it moving!
Revolt
Isa
pa?
pa, isa pa. Last. Gago. Zero mount
Just a
position.
little longer. At last.
Saan ba
Get
dito?
the revised schedule uploaded and hope we can make up for lost time. Right, that's the easy part done. Next up, Chasm Terminus and our unlucky arch
Kuha ka
heretic.
agad.
In case you were wondering, so far I'm not impressed. Not one of you no-opus would last a day on Armageddon. Lucky for you, Atome is a much softer billing. With a bit of luck, you might last long enough to be useful.
Sometimes I wonder if abhumans have souls.
Mamamatay
Or
na
if they
ako.
are
Ba't
simply
ka-
beasts that walk and talk. Really? Think before occupying your life.
Haven't you managed to have enough to worry about without dividing it further?
Can't you go any faster? We're going to have to toughen you up.
Cover! Kick it off! I have eyes on the chasm terminus. It's hard to miss.
Lots of cover hereabouts. Put it to use. But
Paano
watch out for
ba?
lurking
Nawalang
heretics.
deploy.
Stay alert! Not out of this yet! There! Above us! Oh, that is... Emperor's throne! Help! Gets me up! Emperor guide my hand!
Ang ilang ano to, walang dami.
Corny, walang ano. Jump.
Sige.
Hop, bunny hop.
Ay, wala. An item lang pala yun dito. Diretso na po.
Wait lang, may item dito.
Yung bala lang eh. Harap.
Sige, dito lang ako sa likod.
Dahil tindahan.
Ito dito, Mac. Sa akin. Sunod ka sa akin.
Catch a car to station.
Nililigaw kasi tayo
If
dito
they'd done their
eh.
job right, they'd have weeded out the heretics before this went sideways. It
Ito
always
may-
falls
ito
to
may
the soldiers to
hint.
clean up other folks' mess. Fancy you, I guess.
Ano tong amos, Tas?
Kapag nag-number 4 ka, tapos
Med
pinasok mo
terminal!
sa baba, may ammo.
Medic. Pag medic. Dalawa na lang eh. Dalawang beses na pwede gamitin.
May ano pala yan? May number
Medicaid
ito.
station!
Oo, ayan. Huwag ka na boss ka. Para mapunog ko rin.
Ha?
Hold mo yung E, hold mo yung E.
Ah, hold E.
Ayan na.
Tapos, ano tong pinto na to?
Wala lang yan.
Ah,
Open,
Wala
close,
tayong-
open, close lang yan.
yan ata yung
There's Chasm Station.
re-revive.
Get yourselves inside.
Snuck in the eight!
Aray. Uy, Mac, saan ka pumupunta?
We're mighty chargers, aren't we?
It's about to blow!
Stench of
Oh,
corruption!
man.
I am your business!
Pwede ba dito?
Ito sa akin.
Pwede ba sa taas?
Could be worse! Much worse!
Ba't hindi ako tumanti pa kanina? Pero... Okay.
to see the other kind.
May dami na sa likod, pre. Tara na.
Ito, medic.
I need help. Johnson.
Dito kayo. May heal.
That sight is efficient. I'll give him that.
Get this, veteran!
Ba't may kulay violet ako? Ano yung isa?
Bring it. Go.
Dahil.
Parang wala akong konti.
Tara, boss. May bomba dito.
You should let your associates resupply their ammo.
Don't you tell me what to do.
Wala na ako.
Keep going. You're on the wrong side of the station.
Ito may abo.
Carcass are dug in. Engage. Gone.
Nag-i-ADS kayo.
See, pilgrim.
Mataan natin sumit kapag di na nakita. Ayan, naging barilan na.
We go down there! That's
Baba daw
it!
dito.
Important talaga ito.
Last gasp. The main event's still to come. I hope you're ready to fight.
Ano yan?
Days are numbered, Master.
may
What do you make of our pilot?
I find her somewhat improper. Verging on
Kasalita yung ano eh.
unsound.
Well,
Salita yung
we're
parang-
stuck with her unless Rannick says otherwise.
Flash.
Okay, boss.
ano yun?
Ang ganda ng animation talaga ng life na yan. Diretso.
That's the platform elevator. Get down there and end this. You can't take the target one-on-one, so work together.
Ay, may heal
Teamwork,
dito.
got it?
Heal muna kayo.
Hindi mo lang kayo sa likod ka!
Gawas naman yun.
Pagkapit ko
Medicate
wala
terminal!
wala.
Patch yourselves up!
Dito.
And right
Medicare
to die
station!
in the Emperor's name.
Bawal tong gamit sa ano, sa isang mod.
Punta ba tayo?
Attend to your aim, roughneck!
Stop getting in the way!
Ay, eto na pala, boss stage na to.
Gagawin dito.
Patayin yung kalaban. Yun eh. May lalabas dito.
They break slows!
Dito mo nga pa.
There's the section reactor target. Take him out.
Ano, may kalaban sa likod niya.
Marilig mo na yung
Think I might have
Wait,
trouble
wait,
here?
patay ako. Patay na siga si Mac. Uy, help ako.
Ito na si
Hindi ko
boss
pa
stage.
napalitan yung keybind nung ano.
Useless.
Ayan, nire-revive ko din.
Thanks, zealots.
Para sa tao na pagpatay.
Alright. Maybe you underused this as our fault. Time will tell.
Parang may friendly fire.
Wala.
Eh,
Ha?
kaso mahina lang yung bawas. Kasi pag na-play ako, may green eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Pero walang damage sa'yo eh. Walang damage.
Oo, wala. Ano
Pero
lang.
may green lang.
Baka ano pa,
Basta.
mahina pa yung damage sa atin.
Baka sa next difficulty pa.
Kaya nga eh.
Si Killmonger. Uy! Parehas ko pala si Mac. Tura.
Ayos na tayo ng face.
Meron akong na...
Weapon unlock.
Weapon unlock. Diamond. Combat blade. Katachan.
Ba't walang sino yung pinakamalakas?
That could have gone tidier.
Ganon boss para hindi competitive.
Peppers.
Horny.
Horny, no? Try
Skip
kayo
mo
ng
yun.
face nyo lang.
Wait lang, may cutscene ako.
Oo,
Skip ko na ba ta?
try lang kayo ng click mo na yan.
Ng iba't ibang
Try
weapon.
kayo ng ibang weapon.
Wait lang ah.
Bumili pa nga ng weapon.
Okay. Kape muna. Ay. Kape nga muna.
Hindi, ano mo lang yan.
Waiting for other players, man. Nasa loading screen na ako.
Reading from disk eh.
Heavy Last Pistol Mark II Anointed. Black screen.
Talo T1 eh. Ay no, letter ay yun. Load out.
Parang may
Ito
cutscene
naman
pa
yung
kami.
heavy sword.
You've been summoned to the stratagem.
Ano yan yung...
Cutscene ako men, wait lang.
Wala si Boss God, si Boss God dito sa ano.
Bakit wala yung mga ibang ano? Ba't wala yung mga yung ibang baril?
Yung weapon, kailangan mo pagpa-level dyan eh. Ano ba gagawin mo, Boss Dane? I-unlock mo yung ano?
Hindi. Kasi di ba may nakuhang mga weapon doon? May nakuha nga bang weapon doon sa ano?
Ano lang
Baril?
yun?
Yung baril?
Parang blueprint yun eh.
Blueprint pa yon. Hindi pa yun yung hindi pa yun yung
Asan ka ba?
mismong... Ay, check mo sa Discord, ako, naka-live. Meron lang ako yung
Dito, sunod. Tingin nga, Boss D. Kung nasa ang lugar ka. Hindi, kung nasa ang lugar ka. Tape mo. Tara dito.
Ay, di pala ikaw to.
Magkaka-party pero magkakaiba ng
Di na nga tayo magkaka-party eh.
Magkaka-party pa dun pero hindi magkakasama dun sa
Hindi ko na kayo ka-party tignan mo.
Nag-join ulit ako. Oo nga, si Boss Gab sa kasi Mac pala yun nandito.
Wala ako dyan? Pa-invite nga ako, social.
Baka nawala ka kasi na DC ka, di ba?
Ayan, in-invite na kita, boss.
Wala pa rin eh.
Ano ka na lang, join strike team ka. Si Boss Gab.
The heretics must not
Wait,
prosper.
naka-online kasi.
You can rely on nothing save
Ay,
death.
mali ako. Bakit ko in-invite?
Tatlo lang
Hindi,
yung pwede. Tatlo lang yung pwede pala sa taas.
Saan taas?
Sa taas na area ng talents ko.
Oo.
Uy, invite nyo ako.
Wait.
In-invite.
Paano yun?
Punta ka sa social. Escape.
Nakita, Boss D. Nakalagay yung
Invite. Wala
Check
nga.
mo yung dun sa check mo dun sa may invites dun sa may ano
Saan?
sa
Escape?
escape mo tas party finder. Party finder ba yun? Ay hindi escape tas social tapos invites.
Wala nga. Wala. Oh, wala. No receive invite.
Ulit. Ayan na, in-invite ko na.
Ayan.
Ayan na.
Ayan. Ano?
Nasaan na? Na si Boss Day.
You have unlocked Armory Exchange. Ah, saan yun?
Huwag mo na anahin yun, boss.
Ah,
Doon
sa
bumili
ibang-
si Mac eh.
Mission na?
Ay wala, hindi tayo magkakasama, boss.
Ito, magkakasama tayo ah.
Hindi
Ay,
tayo sa lobby. Hindi tayo nagkakakita dito sa Morningstar.
Ito, kasar ko si Kento ah. Nandito si Mok.
The morning. How to party.
Armory
not showing
Exchange.
up in
Pusang gala, may cutscene!
i-space mo lang.
Hindi, invested tayo sa kwento eh.
Now hear this. All strategic officers to your stations. I repeat, all strategic officers to your stations.
Pusang gala, wala palang kwenta.
Propane weapon lang to. So paano ko ito
Bumibili ng weapon dito.
Pero ano lang kasi yan eh. Profane lang. So common lang.
Common rarity lang. Ano yung isa?
Hindi ko alam paano ito ano.
Acquire a profane weapon of your choosing. 2720. Eh, magkano kapag hindi ka... Mas mura pa. Bili ka na lang dito sa kabila.
Huwag na nga kayo bumili.
Hintay na
Okay.
lang mag-drop.
So, mission na.
Tara na. Hindi ko kayo kita.
Campaign 2?
Campaign ko.
Ay, hindi ikaw yung mag-ano, Boss Jay?
You making me an offer,
Hindi
Mark?
naman
Hindi ikaw yung...
Not as yet. But we
Kaso nawala sa akin yung campaign 1 eh. Baka hindi natin kaya pabalik.
Hindi.
Hindi, may campaign. Tapos na yun si Boss D, hindi.
Ayan. Ito ba yung campaign 2 ba to?
Ulit nga, patingin.
Yata
Oo.
to campaign 2 eh. Campaign 2 to?
Patingin nga, ulit. Si Boss Bob yung
Ay, hindi. Si...
Wait lang,
Accept nyo na
decline
lang
ko lang.
Campaign 2 daw yun. Ha?
Yata yung campaign 2 eh. Tignan ko lang ah. Oo nga, Silo Cluster.
Ayan, sige.
Sorry, I doubt you, Mac. Campaign 2 yan, campaign 2.
samurai oh. Ba't ka Claymore, Boss D?
Tatry lang ako kung ano yung pinakamaganda. Ang pangit nung knife eh. Ang hina ng damage eh.
So guess what the
Alin yung hawak ni Ken?
Oo.
The trouble's confined to a
Pero
single
pindot ako
silo.
ng
For
pindot eh.
now.
Kung
The Hellions will
masisira
build
pa
a battle
ako.
unit from there.
Baka dapat
Get down
backstab
there
yun.
and deal with the
Ang
demon by
nagpapalakas
any
kasi sa bawat
means necessary. You know how this works.
Please.
Oo, i-bleed. Parang bleed sa heavy attack. Parang kada normal na dapat.
Mukha talagang killmonger si Ken.
Look at all that! Industrious place, ain't it?
This is as close to pot as the torrent gets. Everyone else goes in the drink.
This is a war zone. Only law here is made by blood and bullets.
Bakit kahit naman naubos na yung ano ko, yung sprint ko, nag-sprint pa din?
Will not be found wanting.
Hindi mo lang siya magagamit pang block.
All that knows.
Yun o, mas maganda to, mas mabilis. Hindi naman ako balik, kasi mo lang ano. Wala na kasi stat kasi, no?
Walang?
Walang stat yung pagkakasya.
Hello! Shotgun!
Gagi, natawa ako yung ano! Bomba!
Stop shooting me, zealot! A dancing glow, nothing more.
Friendly fire. Saan tayo?
No way back. Rock into.
Not time to mock.
Just thought you were unflappable, that's all.
Dilim eh, no?
Kalaban.
They're in cover! Take your shots! Making it right! Beneficent Emperor, bless this holy work!
Yan naman ang bumabaril na yun. Accurate na accurate.
That's what's left of the water cartel.
Kalaban sa taas na malaki.
Nothing lasts forever, except the master of mankind.
Tayo na.
Get yourself patched up! We got the big beauty!
Ano pakita mo kalaban?
Okay, no?
Hindi mo laboy pa din.
Getting through the main gate! And again, we rarely can!
Boom! Ano, may hill dito.
The blood! The cries of dying heretics! This is not a balm for the soul! You mind? Some of us are fighting for a survival over here! And some of us are fighting for the beneficent Emperor! Yeah, him too! At least if any commissars asked him. Right for a sniper!
Talikod ako! Sinusunod ako!
Uy, yung
Kill centrals engaged! I thought the cartel would drink the night and water! Down! Find another way out.
kailangan natin.
Uy! Doon ako!
Not that I care, but you look
Thrower
better.
sa akin, diba?
God, flavor!
Oh, sheesh!
Repent, Psyker! And be revived!
Obliged, Zealot.
Bear witness to the reward of sin!
I've crossed that bridge more times than I care to recall.
Yun na,
I hope you intend to share I hope that I will not catch you eating.
Don't worry, you won't! Catch me, I mean!
You are changed.
Never had reason to!
Someone must.
Ayun o.
Beauty! Dead! Shotgun!
We'll need to break their defenses! I only hope that while we are out here rescuing Grendel's gold, someone is attending to the needs of the citizens.
I wouldn't doubt on it. When folk look at wars like this, they see worlds, not populations.
A cynical viewpoint,
Dilim
not
na
one without merit.
Yeah, the rest of us call that realism.
Call the elevator, but remain vigilant.
Ethical fight.
They won't let you in without a fight.
Ayan, stay lang tayo dito. Hol. Okay, kayo.
Shouting trapper!
Ito oh.
Ammo crate!
Ammo crate! Throwing grenade!
May mahuhulog pala dyan ha. Galing dyan sa taas. Ayan.
You've got a good eye!
Ibig ba sabihin ng kulay mo, hindi ako tumatawag.
Your flames are not! Keep fighting! They can't keep coming!
Okay. Ayun na.
Let's go! Hola!
Gusto ko lang, tawa ko yung bomba. Ba't din ako eh?
More hostiles in!
Malaki.
It's gone! Headhunting! Order! Fire eliminated!
May mga bumabaril niya
Cheers
kasama.
for that lot. Continue with the mission.
Tara.
May pasok na pala. Wala na tayo mga buhay ah.
Gagi, ang galing na ipis yung paa niya sa
Intel
ano.
suggests that some kind of demon
Wala
is
na mga buhay, sir, ah.
supply. Relic will tell you that the creature lives somewhere out in the hourglass.
Uy, may hilata kayo, ayan oh.
For its being. I'm not convinced, but be ready for anything.
Kaso violet yung isang buhay ko eh.
Bakit?
Hindi na-heal ba eh.
Kailangan mo yung ano, yung medical, yung
Oo.
We may have need of that grenade in time.
You'll have to cut through Ragtown, lucky you.
Wala pa kayong flashlight?
Ammo here, witch! You need it! Quail! The hour of judgment is at hand!
Ito yung amo.
Sa may bridge. Dito din sa may bridge ako.
Oh, it's not gonna be a sniper! Run out, shoot that damn ratling! They'd be useless on this mission! Spend half their lives asleep! We're better off without them! Medicaid station!
Wala na ako ano.
Meron na pwede na
Medicaid station! Short serve cannon rider!
Ikaw na, ikaw na lang.
Dead as gone!
Tayo na yan.
come to Hadron. I think his blessing is faded. I like this story. You sure you're holding it right? Well, I'm listening, haven't you? Of course I'm holding it right. Feels better to fight in the shadow of a hero of the Imperium.
Kaya tayo daan.
I've got it where it counts.
Uy, mamamatay ako.
You're a real mess, priest.
Nahulog yun.
Matay ako.
I assist you,
May ba
fanatic.
may tao? Sa taas
Saan
pa.
ko mali ako na
A
tinitignan?
grenade! A gift from the beneficent Emperor himself! Need! Got us a Wedge! Grab that ammo! Hold that pose, heretic. Warriors,
Yan yung
the
bukas lang
beneficent
ng bukas
Emperor,
eh.
we shall prevail. Annihilate filling devil! Sighting him!
Grabe, ang dilim. Nakatago sila sa gilid-gilid. Daya. Diba yung mga napupulot-pulot na yan? Dito saan?
No way back! Shotgunner!
None are sighted!
Engaging critical target! Hey there, Shockley! Stand for pilgrims!
Okay.
Don't waste ammo! Wait for the key shots! The next time I harry the foe eye to eye, I would appreciate a little support! Right you are! You're doing the best you can! And I'm sure the Emperor's dead proud! And your old man wherever he is now!
You're not in the silo yet. Better fix that.
Kill the gunner! Whose side are you on anyway? Forgive me! A regrettable mistake! Gone! I wish I were back with my regiment! So do the rest of us!
Kaya mo crate.
And there's no need to be like that! That's the kind version!
Ay, mahirap eh.
Demonic growth, then you can end this.
You cannot hide from judgment, heretics!
Wala akong para. Oh, titirahin yan. Yung may ano.
Killing one isn't enough. Find the others.
Here she goes!
Patay, grabe naman.
Di kagi, ano pala yun?
Fine.
AOE pala yun.
Load your weapon! Oh, of course they found cover!
You've got one more to destroy.
Isa pa lang. Patayin mo rin yung mga matay na isa.
Faster! Keep it at a distance! Nearly! Losing artery blood!
Sa akin yung ano, ako.
Psycho! Get her!
Ano ng bala.
Siyempre.
Rise no more, mutant! Die, shotgunner!
Ano pa dito?
Ammo crate! Ammo crate!
Ano tayo?
Water clearing already. Good work today. You performed well. Extraction.
Tapos na.
Throwing crack grenade!
Okay, tanda ako tong mga to itong packet. Ito na yung portal guys. Ay!
Sit up, Team Psycho!
Breather terror!
May nakalagay sa taas. Ay, not total kills 5-9.
Saan yung total kill?
Wala eh, nasa taas kanina eh.
Pero pinakataas.
Labas. Ay, total kills lang. Walang ano. Ambag. Walang ambagan.
Wala yung stats na katulad sa ano, no?